Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over Shopify apps, how to add apps to your Shopify store, and how to manage your apps. So starting off in the Shopify admin, we're going to go to the app section over here in the left sidebar. So if we click on apps, we can see all the apps that are installed on our store. And every app is going to have its own individual settings, its own individual options. So you can click on the name of the app and go to that app's specific settings. But down here, if you want to look at Shopify's recommended apps for your store, they will include some apps that you may find useful that you can install over here. You can also search and filter for your apps. If you're looking for a particular app, you can search for it by name, or you can go to the app and sales channel settings over here. So if an app has a particular notification, you can see that up here and click review notifications. These are notifications that come from Shopify. And over here we have our installed apps. If you ever uninstalled an app and are looking for your uninstalled app history, you can click over here for uninstalled and see any old apps that were installed on your store. You can also sort by when the app was last accessed or just by these defaults, alphabetical order, newest install, oldest install. If you want to uninstall an app, you can click uninstall over here. Or you can take a look at the app's information by clicking on its name. So over here, if we want to take a look at the app details, so here are some information about the app. You can see how much they charge a month and the history of the app. We can take a look at who installed it and what the app has access to. You can also uninstall the app from here. And if you want to go to the app's App Store page, you can click View in Shopify App Store. And here is the App Store page, all the details where you can review that. If you want to just open the app, you can just click Open. And if you want to install any new apps, you can click on the Shopify App Store app. And over here, you can search for specific apps or browse based off of particular categories or solutions that you are looking for your online store.